Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about one amazing way, in fact you can call it as a secret way to promote or share your Redbubble shop or any other print on demand shop to get the more eyeballs, to get the more sales from your shop. So I'm going to be talking about that way in this video. So let's get started with that. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel. I really appreciate that. And also, we have a bunch of the free resources. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section. Download all the freebies that we have and make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding more each month. Okay, let's talk about that secret way, because it's really a secret way, and I recently came across like a few weeks back, and I feel like at that time I was just experimenting with that secret way and seeing that whether it's working well or not and all. And so I'm going to be talking about that. Now that secret way is idea pins. Now you would be thinking, what is the idea pins? If you're not familiar with that, I usually talk a lot about sharing your Redbubble shop or sharing your print on demand shop onto the Pinterest. Now onto the Pinterest, if you're just using a normal pins, if you're just posting a normal pins, there are a lot of the normal pins onto the Pinterest. So there is a little bit more competition in the normal pins. But recently, I think a few months or maybe a few weeks back only, few months back only, Pinterest started with a new feature on the Pinterest, that is idea pins. Idea pins is kind of like a short vertical videos, because this is a trend of the short vertical videos. So it's a trend of short vertical videos. YouTube started with their own YouTube shorts, shorter videos, the vertical videos. The Instagram has their own reels. The Facebook also has the short vertical videos. And even the Pinterest also started with the short vertical videos few months back. And this time, not many people are utilizing this amazing feature of the Pinterest to post the pins, not just as a normal pins, in the form of idea pins. And we personally experimented with this idea pins on our own Globo Arte Pinterest page. So you can check it out, or screenshot and the video on the screen over here guys. We personally check it for our own Globo Arte Pinterest page, and I think we only have 33 followers onto the Pinterest, but our page views, our monthly views onto the Pinterest account is roughly around 28,000, or at times it goes out to 50,000 as well. Like it just fluctuates depending on how many pins we are posting on a daily basis. But it's 27,000 plus, at times 30,000, 50,000. It also reached to 100,000 as well. And we are getting amazing monthly views by just using this amazing feature of the Pinterest. Although we are also posting the normal pins as well, but recently we started with the idea pins, and our idea pins have been watched by 10,000 people. Like its engagement is really amazing. Since we don't have that many followers onto the Pinterest, so if we compare with the followers and we see the reach is much more higher. Now you would be thinking how to use the idea pin. Now when you just go over to the Pinterest mobile application, I don't know about the desktop version of it's there or not, but I am using it in the mobile only. You need to let it get installed, and then go over to your Pinterest account, and there would be the plus icon in the center. Click over to that. They're gonna get the facility to upload an idea pin. You're gonna see an idea pin, and there would be a new written over there. Just click over to there, and then you will be allowed to upload anything from your own full mobile gallery, or even you can make a short vertical video at that time as well, and can upload it onto the Pinterest, write the name of it, also use the tags and pin into one board at least, and then publish it. It works amazing. Not many people are utilizing it. And one thing is amazing guys, onto the Pinterest you don't need that many followers to get started with the Pinterest. That's an amazing feature of the Pinterest which outweighs any other social media platform out there. Like in the Instagram, you need to get that much of followers. So even if you need the swipe up feature in the Instagram story, you need to reach to at least 10,000 followers onto the Instagram to get that feature. So Instagram is just limited to building up the followers, then only you can get that engagement. However, many people are utilizing the Instagram Reels nowadays, and that's working well. That's getting so much engagement. And Same is the case with the Facebook. On the Facebook, the pages engagement is nearly about to dead. If you are using the Facebook groups, then you might get some engagement and some reach. But the Pinterest is you don't need to talk to anyone. You don't need to engage with any people, and you just need to install the mobile application of the Pinterest, sign in into the account, make your account related to whatever you want to promote onto the Pinterest, and start using the idea pins right now, guys. This is an amazing new feature recently launched by the Pinterest, and not many people are utilizing it. So that means there is not that much competition right now in the idea pins, but eventually later on few months or maybe a year there would be a competition in the idea pins as well. So start utilizing it right now, guys. And we personally used it for our Globo Arte magazine page onto the Pinterest. We although only have 33 followers, but we see that the reach from that we are getting is nearly 10,000 plus, and at times we also get the monthly views as 100,000 views as a monthly basis. It's just that if you are not consistent onto the Pinterest, then you're gonna see the fluctuation in your monthly views. So when we just don't use these features and we don't post regularly, then there is a little bit drop in the monthly views. You need to do it on a consistent basis. You can use the software tool that is the Tailwind to schedule your pins. We don't personally use in our magazine or for our magazine page. We do it on a consistent basis because I see that using that schedule may not be that effective either if you are going manually into the Pinterest. One thing, guys, you can also use the hashtags, the hashtag art magazine, hashtag print on demand, or hashtag whatever niche you are posting onto the Pinterest. You can use them in your title of your pins, in the idea pins, and you can make these pins. What I do personally, that we make the YouTube shorts for a channel onto the YouTube for this page, and we just edit that YouTube shorts and upload the same vertical video onto the Pinterest as we upload it onto the YouTube. It's just that we do a little bit of the editing for the sake of the Pinterest, and we upload it, and it's getting good engagement, amazing monthly views we are getting onto the Pinterest. Although we are not promoting any print on demand products onto our Pinterest page, we are just promoting the magazine stuff, our art printable stores, and different products that we sell, and the different freebies that we have on the platform. We just only promote that. But still, guys, you don't need that much followers, and it's really amazing that the idea pin is helping to reach us to many more people onto the Pinterest just for the free. You don't need to pay for the ads. You don't need to pay for anything. You don't need to do much of the hard work like talking to different people, engaging, and do all that stuff. No, you just need to make this short vertical video, upload it as an idea pin onto the Pinterest, and let the magic happen for you. And you can see the stats of the idea pins in the see stats. When you're gonna click onto individual idea pins, they're gonna see the stat option. Click on that and you're gonna see the stat, how many people actually did your idea pins reach that, how many clicked it, how many saved it, and so on and so forth. You can check the analytics of your or stats of your idea pins in that way. But I feel like this is amazing if you are making your print-on-demand shop, or you are making print-on-demand products. I hope you really find this video useful, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think. Are you using the idea pins or not? And do you really seeing the good engagement in your idea pins or not? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.